The dawn of a new armor. Tony Stark stood in his state-of-the-art workshop, the dim light from his holographic interface reflecting off his face. He had spent the last 3 nights refining the Mark 80 armor, a suit designed not for combat, but for rescue missions in the most treacherous conditions. Friday, run diagnostics again, Tony muttered, rubbing his eyes. All systems functional, boss, but maybe you should consider running diagnostics on yourself. Your vital signs suggest exhaustion. Friday's voice chimed with concern. Tony smirked. Noted, but no time for naps. We've got people to save. News of a catastrophic avalanche in the Alps had reached Tony just days ago. The disaster had left hundreds stranded. The existing rescue operations were slow, hindered by harsh weather and unstable terrain. Tony knew his new suit could make a difference. The Mark 80 was unlike any other Iron Man suit. It was equipped with thermal imaging, terrain scanning technology, and micro-drones capable of detecting life signs under layers of snow. Its nanotechnology allowed it to adapt to the extreme cold, and the thrusters were optimized for maneuvering in tight spaces. Sir, I've intercepted an update. Rescue teams are losing hope in locating survivors in the most affected regions, Friday informed him. Then it's time for me to suit up, Tony replied. Within seconds, the suit enveloped him. The HUD flickered to life, displaying a detailed map of the avalanche zone. Friday, engage flight mode. Let's make some miracles happen. In the Alps, the scene was harrowing. Snow stretched endlessly, and the air was thick with despair. Rescue workers looked up in astonishment as the Iron Man suit descended. Everyone hold tight, Tony said through his external speakers. I'll find them. Using the suit's advanced scanners, Tony located a pocket of survivors trapped under 10 feet of snow. He deployed the micro-drones, which pinpointed exact locations and relayed the data to the rescue teams. With his suit's reinforced arms, he cleared massive amounts of snow, making way for rescuers to reach the trapped individuals. Hours turned into night, but Tony didn't stop. By the end of the operation, dozens of lives had been saved. As he landed back at the rescue camp, exhausted but satisfied, a child ran up to him and hugged his leg. "Thank you, Iron Man," the child said, her voice trembling. Tony knelt, his helmet retracting to reveal a warm smile. "No need to thank me, kid. Just doing my job." As he flew back to New York, Tony felt a rare sense of fulfillment. For once, he wasn't fighting villains or saving the world from impending doom. This time, he was simply saving lives, one person at a time. Let me know if you'd like more. Is this conversation helpful so far? ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info.